Are you afraid to be told that you are a commander that does not want to arrest people? I made a decision at one stage that you cannot detain a person if you don't have a case. Where did I end up? In the media. IP was thrown on me. Did I bury my head underground? No, I didn't. I'm still standing. Because I knew what I was doing was right. They can talk, they can write, they can do whatever they. But you can't say as a commander, and you say, hands off, I cannot intervene when a police officer is working. He's under your command.
bafowethu sibuyile ya ngoba vela nimbonile uGeneral nhlanhla mkhwanazi lapha naye uze nenye sesifuna ukuphawula sibeka ukuthi bebatshelana isubs le ase KZN kahle ngoba masibheka so yabatshela straight yabatshela angajikajiki batshela 99 so wena la ukhona sicela usubscribe ulike icomment ushare asambeni sobona ukuthi ubatshelani isubs.
Are you afraid to be told that you are a commander that does not want to arrest people? I made a decision at one stage that you cannot detain a person if you don't have a case. Where did I end up? In the media. IP was thrown on me. Did I bury my head underground? No, I didn't. I'm still standing. Because I knew what I was doing was right. They can talk, they can write, they can do whatever they. But you can't say as a commander, and you say, hands off, I cannot intervene when a police officer is working. He's under your command. The police officer is doing what is wrong. And you sit back and you say, no, it's going to be defeating. What is the purpose of an arrest? It's to bring the perpetrator to court. You don't just arrest because you like to arrest. And be convinced that there's a crime that's been committed before this person is detained in your station. And I said to you, it doesn't matter whether you're national or provincial. You are in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. You are employed and deployed to work here and serve the people here. And I do hope and believe that you are a resident of this province. If you have already acquired a property elsewhere in the country, and you don't give a damn about the province of KwaZulu-Natal, because your family, your children, your ancestors are not here, then apply for a transfer and you leave. In the year that we're coming from, we met here and it was a dawn of elections. And I must say that I'm proud of what you have done as management of this province. You've sacrificed your time and long hours. I know majority of you worked under extreme stress. In this province, all eyes were here. Everyone was worried that KZN is going to become a chaos. But with your leadership, collectively, you made sure that nothing of that nature happens. So for that, I want to salute you. I want to thank you. The organization, South African Police Service, is our employee. Just love it. Just love it so much that whatever we do, we make the organization proud of us. Have that respect that General nhlanhla will say to me in the morning, General, I've got this medical condition that I have, and it won't look good in uniform. Can I not do an uniform today? Not because I don't trust it. I said, send me the picture of what you're talking about. She sent me the photo and I looked at it and I said, no, I agree with you, General, you can't put a uniform when you're in this condition. Because she respects the uniform. So colleagues, I want to remind you, you voluntarily came into this organization. Maybe those that came from exile, the MKE and the likes, when there was this formation of the South African Police Service, were instructed to come here. I know there are some of those, especially within crime intelligence as well as the VIP side. But the rest of you and me, we took an opportunity and we took time to apply to join the service. And we took time to complete an application form and we asked to be promoted to these positions. Respect the organization, colleagues. Love it. Respect the commanders, love the ACPS as your employer. And lastly, respect the flag. If you respect the flag of this country, you're going to respect your clients, the citizens, the people, because all the flag is representing. For those going on retirement, I wish you well. If you're not going to meet again before you retire, enjoy the rest. I hope you deserve it. I hope you deserve it. I hope you've worked hard to create a safer environment. I hope as you leave, you hand over the baton to the people that are responsible for policing to keep you safe when you're on pension. Because guess what? Trouble hits you, you're not going to call me. You will not call me. You're going to rely on the very same police officers that you left behind.
Shikomboki. Ah, she's alright. Hi. That's Vitwan. Here we